Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Hey there YouTube, Darren with Grass Ranch Garage, and today we're going to be swapping out the trimmer head on a Snapper weed eater. And the weed whacker we're going to be working on today is a Snapper S27 SS. It's a 27cc straight shaft Snapper branded weed trimmer. The common problem with these weed whackers is the bump head eventually stops working. It happens to these a lot. I've replaced several of them. The customer stated that he wanted a fixed string head placed on here. So what we're going to be doing is removing this and installing a new head. And the trimmer head we're going to be using is this quick loader commercial quality trimmer head. It's a fixed line trimmer. It's available right here at Grass Ranch Garage. Contact me for more details if you'd like one. First thing you're going to want to do is locate the notch in the side of your gearbox. Then spin the weed eater head till the hole enters the notch. Then you can take a screwdriver, insert it into the hole, locking the shaft into place, and then you can simply twist off the bump head. Comes off just like that. You'll get a collar as well. Don't drop it and lose it. This is a universal trimmer head, so it comes with several different attachment options for several different weed eaters. So for this particular application, we're going to need this 10mm adapter. We are going to need this large brass colored nut, and we're going to need this larger 10mm washer. Here's a close-up of the hardware you'll be using. So you'll notice the triangular cutout in the weed eater head and the corresponding adapter. Turn it over and place the adapter inside. And line it up just like that. Now place your collar back on the weed eater. You can put some grease on it if you'd like to help hold it if you find that it keeps falling off. Then you want to take your weed eater head, place it over the shaft, insert your flat washer, and then your nut, and tighten it up. Remember to go counterclockwise. Then reinsert your screwdriver in the hole, and using a 17mm deep well socket, tighten the nut. Now to load string, take the supplied pieces of weed eater string that they give you and insert into the hole on each side until it starts to protrude through the back. Spin the head over and do the exact same on the opposite side. It will not pull out, and there you have successfully completed switching the head over to a fixed string trimmer. Now you can top her off with fuel, test her out, and return her to the customer. I prefer to use VP 2-cycle fuels. This is a 50-to-1 mix. And as a quick disclaimer, even though I may be a Stens dealer, I am not sponsored by Stens. I am not being paid by Stens, VP Fuel, or Snapper for this video. I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage. Get out there and enjoy your weekend.